What is going on, everyone? It's Tay with Spectacular Gadgets, and I just left the mailbox from picking this package up. It's a package from Google, of course. Let's go ahead and take a sneak peek, quick glance, short unboxing. You guys ready? Let's do this!
Spectacular Gadgets.
All right, here we are. Easy access, easy unboxing, no troll zone here. So I like how easy it is to go ahead and unbox Google products. So here we have it, the Google Pixel 5 5G, and taking off the lid, there's nothing inside the lid. And here is the Sorta Sage, and I like the way that it feels. It has a different texture, but here we are. It feels really good, and no, it's no way possible that you can get fingerprints on this device. Also in the box, they include a quick start guide, terms and conditions, and your SIM ejector tool. Here you have the USB-C 18-watt adapter, and before I forget, this device also has reverse wireless charging as well. Here you have the Type-C to Type-C charging cable, and lastly, you have the quick switch adapter. Here is everything that comes inside of the box. Now to take a quick look at the hardware. Here you have the Sorta Sage, and the Google logo looks really good when the light shines on it, but looking at it up close, you would think that it's like a stone material, but it actually feels really good, and again, no fingerprints, so that's a plus. Here is the Google Pixel 4a alongside the Google Pixel 5, and as you see, it's not a huge difference in size. You do notice that the camera on the Pixel 5 is a little bigger because it has an extra camera. Now this video doesn't do the color of this device any justice. It looks so much better in person, but here I'm giving you a look at the camera that you have there. Like I said, you have two cameras on here, which is a 12 megapixel and a 16 megapixel. Also on the back you have that cool fingerprint scanner, and I do like it on the back. It's pretty quick, looks just like the one on the 4a. It almost looks like a button on this, like you can press it. You have thinner bezels on the Pixel 5 than the 4a. The bottom has the Type-C port. The right cutout is an actual speaker. The left is just to make it look balanced. On the left side, you have the SIM tray. There is no expandable storage, but this is eSIM ready. And here at the top, we have a microphone. The right side of the device has your power button and your up and down volume keys. Taking my first look at the Google Pixel 5 display, it looks really nice, really crisp, 19 by 5 by 9 aspect ratio, smooth display, so you can get up to 90 Hz refresh rate on this display. Let's go ahead and take a look at the case. This is the Green Chameleon. This will run you about $40. There are 4 different colors, but the cool thing about this is made up of 70% recycled materials. So first look at the fabric case, and this Green Chameleon case looks really nice. That G for Google stands out, it pops with the green, and look at that green button. But the inside, you'll notice, is actually very soft to the touch. Something that caught my eye and may have caught your eye too, but check that out. It says machine wash delicate and then air dry. So you can actually machine wash this case if it gets all yucky. So I've never seen that before. Pretty different, I'd say. And you have Google Pixel 5 in the inside. It's very, very soft. It feels how it looks. And then you got that nice green power button. That thing pops. It just stands out. and then the volume keys are actually underneath, but you see that slight hump right there. And then you have the camera cutout as well as the fingerprint cutout. So of course this is going to be precise. You got that Google logo right there. The inside of the case matches the device quite nicely. Installation is a breeze, and here you have it. Gives you plenty of grip. Plus, this is still wireless charge ready, so you can still wirelessly charge the device with the case on. And here you have the power button, but right here is where the volume buttons are hidden. And of course, turning it on and off works perfectly fine, and the fingerprint sensor works perfect. This is a pretty stylish case. The cutouts are precise and the grip is on point. Being a part of Team Pixel has awarded me with the Google Pixel Buds, and fun fact is I already do have a set of them. I got the black ones, which you see here, and I actually have a video, so I'm going to do a separate video regarding the Pixel Buds, but I can say they are pretty comfortable and they sound really good. So this was my quick unboxing and sneak peek, quick glance of the Google Pixel 5 5G. Look out for more videos from me showing the software, the cool new features, and all around what the Pixel 5 5G can do. Well, that about wraps it up for this video. I want to thank everyone for taking the time to chill with me as we go through this journey. And until next time, everyone, I want you all to have a spectacular day. Later.